Okay, so all our hoses are hooked up except our power steering. We're gonna have to special order some universal kit for that. But we can start flushing out the cylinders, flushing out the oil and fuel system again, making sure that the system is good and clean. And we can start testing it, trying to get it running. But what a royal pain making those little lines. Nothing on this car is original. It's all custom made, handmade. And I mean, it's not ready really, but we can start testing it and getting it at least running, and then we can start working on everything else.